So, we all know and probably use AI tools like ChatGPT, right? They're everywhere. But what if I told you there's something new on the scene? Something that might be a massive leap forward. Today, we're going to dig into a tool that makes some seriously bold claims about what AI is really capable of.
And that brings us to the big question, doesn't it? I mean, we've got ChatGPT for all our creative stuff, Perplexity for deep dive research, and they're both amazing. But is it even possible that there's something out there that's a step beyond both of them? Okay, so this is the quote that really stopped me in my tracks. That is a huge claim to make. So naturally, we've got to break it down. What is this thing, and what on earth does it do that's so different? Let's find out.
All right, Section 1. A new AI tool? Let's dive right in and figure out what this supposed game changer actually is. It's called Helium AI. And yeah, you can find it with a quick Google search, simple enough. Now, when you first get to the website, you might think, okay, this looks familiar, kind of like other AI tools you've seen. But trust me, its real power is what's under the hood. So let's talk about your own AI assistant. This is where things get really, really different. This isn't just another general AI that knows a bit about everything. It's built to become your expert. And here it is. This is the secret sauce. Helium AI isn't a generalist. It actually trains on your personal data. Just think about that for a second. You can feed it your research papers, your company's private docs, even just your personal notes. It literally becomes an expert in your world. And this is how you do it. You can just upload your entire knowledge base. PDFs, web links, images, you name it. For a student, imagine uploading all your textbooks and notes. For a lawyer, you could upload every case file. All of a sudden, you've got this AI assistant that knows your specific field inside and out. It's wild. Now, if you thought that was cool, hold on. We're about to get to what might be the single most mind-blowing feature of Helium AI. One prompt, full website. Yep, you heard that right.
The process is it's almost ridiculously simple. You don't have to code or design anything. You just give it an idea, something like, hey, build a landing page for my new coffee shop in Austin. And then you can literally sit back and watch it work. It plans the layout, it writes the copy, it generates the code, all in real time. And at the end, it doesn't give you a draft. It gives you a link to a live working website.
And here's the kicker. How long does all that take? About 1 minute. 1 minute. From a single sentence to a fully functional website. I mean, just let that sink in. This could completely change how fast we can turn an idea into something real. But okay, as incredible as that is, this thing is not a one-trick pony. We're talking about more than just websites here. See, Helium AI is designed to be this all-in-one creation tool. It's not just a website builder. It can also create documents, generate images, put together videos, and do your research. The whole idea is to have one single, super powerful tool instead of jumping between a dozen different apps. So, let's talk about the endless possibilities here. What happens when you put all of this together? You've got an AI that knows your personal data, and it's a multi-talented creation machine. The potential is just huge. This quote really sums up the feeling around it. It's not just about a list of cool features. It's about an experience. The claim is that once you try an AI that's been personalized just for you, you'll never want to go back. It's that fall in love kind of moment. Which leaves us with this final thought. An AI that can do, well, pretty much everything. Is this the future? It feels like we're moving away from having a bunch of separate, specialized AI tools and towards these all-in-one platforms. Is a super personalized AI like Helium what the future of work looks like? Honestly, it's probably too soon to tell. But one thing is for sure. The speed of AI innovation is not slowing down, and that is both an incredibly exciting and maybe a little bit terrifying thought to end on.